everybody, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I'm here with an intro to my new project pan. You guys, 2018 is full of project pans, but I'm really trying to streamline and keep them as manageable as possible for me so I don't get overwhelmed. I have a couple of full year long ones that I'm really excited about, and then other than that, I'm really trying to let myself find them as they come and not get too overwhelmed. So for this particular project pan, what I have is the Peeping pan, and this is a year-long project pan. This one is to pick 4 to 5 items that I want to hit pan on, and then when I hit pan on them, I rotate them out and I bring in more. So this is a year-long project where I just continue to pick products that I want to hit pan on, and then once you hit pan, you move on to something else, which I think is a great way to make sure that my entire collection is being used, which is why I put this project into my playlist for the year, because I want to make sure that as much as I can, I'm rotating through my different items. This one was created by Jessica from Beauty and Baseball and Amanda from Amanda D, and I will have, or also Makeup Junkie 80. I will have both of them listed down below, as well as everybody else who is in this particular collab. Just under 50 people in this. So some of them are only on Instagram, some of them are on YouTube. I will have everybody linked down below, but I'm going to let you guys know the first 5 products that I want to hit pan on. I did pick 5 as opposed to 4, so we'll see what I can get done. This might be something that I update only when I hit pan, so we'll see how the updates for this go. I don't think they're going to be monthly, because I don't think I'm going to be hitting pan on these things in a month, but this will just be a year-long rotating project as I hit pan on things. First up is this Precious Petals highlight, and for these first 5 products I really did try to pick like a full face of makeup. So this one does have a little bit of a dip up here in the upper corner. I will give you guys a close-up, but it's a gorgeous highlight. I really do enjoy it, and hopefully I can hit pan on this without too much trouble, but we'll see. So you can see there was like a stamped pattern that's really gone all the way up there through that top corner, and hopefully I can hit pan on that one. Then I have a contour color, and it is my taupe blush from NYX. This one also has quite a dip in it, but no pan. So the waffling that you're going to see on here is the actual pattern. It used to be like pyramided, I guess, on the top of this product. So I'll give you guys a close-up, but I have not hit pan yet. I'm waiting for it. I'm hoping it comes soon, but we'll see. Then I have a bronzer. So I've got a highlighter, a bronzer, and a contour color. And this one is the Sun Bunny bronzer from Too Faced, which I have used before, hit pan on, and repressed. And then after repressing it, I put it aside because I've been trying to hit pan on a different bronzer. So this one is going to come back out because I do think that this is one I can probably hit pan on pretty quickly because it is a repress. So I figured I'd give myself at least one that I knew I could hit pan on pretty easily. So this used to have 2 different sides, one that was shimmery and one that was matte. This one is now all mixed up. And then we have the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination in Light. This is not a color that I love, but I'm hoping in the beginning of the winter that it's a little bit closer to my color and I'm able to hit pan on this. It's just not something that I use. I haven't been wearing foundation, period. But I'm thinking maybe I can start wearing a powder foundation on days where I want a little bit more coverage, but I don't want actual foundation. So hopefully I can hit pan on this. This might be one that I roll back out because I realize it's not a product that I want to be using, but I'm going to at least try to use it. And then I have the Becca blush in Flower Child, which is one of my favorite blush colors from Becca, and I'm almost sad to like see it hit pan, but I'm really excited to use it more. So this is what it looks like. It's a gorgeous like peachy, pinky color. There's very minimal use on this. I really haven't used it that much at all, but because it's a mini, I'm hoping to be able to hit pan, but I know how long it takes to hit pan on some of these Becca products. But what I tried to do here was get a foundation, a bronzer, a contour, a blush, and a highlighter, hoping that I can do like full face looks and then really move through those. So again, I will keep you guys posted as to how I do updates on that, but that is my first of my year-long projects, which is really just a rotating project that I am really excited about. and I'm hoping to really work through some stuff. I'm going to put eyeshadows in there. I'm going to put other face products in and just really, really, really try to get some use out of everything. But I'm going to go because I have another intro to film. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next one. Bye, guys.